we are going to, phonics lesson rather, sorry, we are going to look at the phoneme. Now, what phoneme is that? For. Well done. Good boys, good girls. I can hear you shouting at me there, right through the computer screen. Right, let me think. Can I think of any words that have the or sound in them? Oh, I've got one. See if you can spot it in this sentence. I will call for you after my tea. Did you get it? For. How am I going to sound out the word for using segmenting and blending? We've got f, or, or, for. Can I think of another one? What do we eat our dinner and our tea with? We use a knife and a fork. Well done. Can you help me segment and blend the word fork? Couldn't hear you. Yep. So we've got or, fork. So let's double check it. Or, fork.